Here's your ignition switch, the new one. I'm fitting it in now and it's not even working. This is the new one. This is the old. We noted this one so that at least we can see which one is it. But if I fit the switch, okay, it's fitted. This is the new one. Accessories on, nothing, the dash is off, so the switch is not even responding. It's the same thing with this older one, which died also. So yours is this new one, so it's also just not responding. But the car is actually starting just fine if I bypass the system. Here's my permanent wire, then I feed it with the ignition. See, the car is on. Now I can actually start the car. Now I can actually start the car. See? So I'm just gonna return this one off, sharp.